How to like a game in Roblox mobile. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and after that launch the Roblox application. Here, as you launch the Roblox application, make sure that you are logged into your account on Roblox, and as you log into your Roblox application, make sure you have the proper connection. So wait for a while until it loads the whole page on Roblox. So as the page loads on Roblox, all you need to do is look out for your login credentials, and after logging in, what you can simply do is search for a game that you'd want to like. So let's see. So for example, if I want to like a particular game, so we can just search for it over here. So let's tap on any of the game randomly, and as I tap on that game that you'd want to like, you'll be able to see this profile. So simply swipe up, and here you can see different options. So if you want to like it, you just have a tap on this like or this arrow up button. So tap on this and you'll be able to like a game in Roblox mobile. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.